Ever feel stuck, procrastinating on tasks you know you need to do? What if I told you there's a simple 5-minute trick that can instantly boost your productivity and eliminate procrastination? It's called the 5-minute rule, and once you start using it, you'll never look at tasks the same way again. Let's dive in. The 5-minute rule is simple. If a task takes less than 5 minutes, do it immediately. If it's a bigger task, commit to working on it for just 5 minutes. Once you start, your brain will want to continue. Why does it work? It beats procrastination. The hardest part of any task is just starting. It leverages momentum. Once you begin, you're likely to keep going. It builds consistency. Small wins add up over time and lead to massive results. How to apply it in your daily life? Emails piling up? Reply to one right now. Need to work out? Start with just 5 minutes of movement. Big project? Set a timer for 5 minutes and begin. The trick is, 90% of the time, once you start, you'll keep going. Now it's your turn. Pick one task you've been putting off and use the 5-minute rule right now. Then drop a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more productivity hacks, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could change your life. Remember, small actions lead to big results. Start now and watch your productivity skyrocket.